Our next model is item number 053749. It's a Union Pacific FEF-2 484 steam locomotive and coal tender. This is road number 833. This model comes to us from Key Imports and is built by Sam Hongsa in Korea. It is nicely custom painted and decal letter with some light weathering. This also has a can motor and a realistic looking coal load. And we'll give you a demonstration of how it runs. This model is available at brasstrains.com. The item number again is 053749.